Are you a business owner, freelancer, or entrepreneur in Nigeria looking to get your JTB TIN? In this video, we'll show you the step-by-step process to obtain it quickly and easily. First, let's quickly understand what the JTB TIN is. TIN stands for Tax Identification Number. The JTB TIN is issued by the Joint Tax Board for individuals in Nigeria. It's required for tax registration and compliance with the Nigerian tax authorities. Before applying, make sure you have the following. 1. A valid means of identification like your national ID, driver's license, or international passport. 2. Proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. 3. A valid email address and phone number for registration updates. Step 1. Go to the official JTB portal at www.jtb.gov.ng. Always ensure you're on the official site to avoid scams. Step 2. On the home page, click on TIN registration. You'll be redirected to the TIN registration page where you can start your application. Step 3. Fill in your personal details carefully. This includes your name, date of birth and contact information. Double-check all entries to avoid errors that could delay processing. Step 4. Upload scanned copies of your identification and proof of address. Make sure your documents are clear and readable to prevent rejection. Step 5. Submit your application. You will receive an email confirmation from JTB. After verification, your TIN will be issued, usually within a few days. Step 6. Once approved, you can download your TIN certificate as a PDF or print it for your records. Keep it safe as you'll need it for tax filings and banking transactions. And that's it. You now know how to get your JTB TIN in Nigeria quickly and easily. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials on taxes, business, and finance in Nigeria.